how to premiere a video on YouTube. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If you need to premiere a video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Also, I'm going to go through one or two of the advantages of premiering a video. So you need to jump into your YouTube studio and you need to have a video that is still in draft and has not actually been published yet. So if you would like to go into your YouTube studio from your YouTube homepage. Up at the top over here on the right hand side, you'll see your profile picture and you can access all of your account details. So instead of it saying YouTube right over here, it will say YouTube Studio. And if it does say YouTube Studio, you can click on that and you will get into the page that we're currently in. This is your YouTube Studio dashboard where you can see everything about your channel. And on the left hand side, we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on content. And here you will see all the content. So we're looking for specifically something that is still in draft, not something that is public, because it's already been published and it cannot be premiered. We're going to go over to the little pen or pencil icon over here. It says detail, and here you can edit all of the details of your video. So once you have set all the details such as the title, the description, thumbnail, you've added video elements, you've checked all the copyright issues, you're going to go over to visibility, which is the last tab that you will find over here when you're publishing a video. And here you will either publish it as private, unlisted, or you can publish it as public. So you will then now get to tap on a set as instant premiere. And if you're unfamiliar, when you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. And if you want to learn more, you can just tap on that learn more tab right over there. So once we select the set as premiere, we can now basically, when it gets watched, when it gets published now, everyone will get a notification and they'll actually be able to schedule it. If you would like to schedule this and set as a premiere, you get to then set up your time and your date that it gets to premiere, and all you have to do is tap on the set premiere. So now we have the countdown. And you can see here there's a bunch of different countdown options. We can go ahead, we can choose one of those, and then the countdown length, you can either have it a minute, 2 minutes, up to 5 minutes. I think 2 minutes is way too long. And you can have a look over here on the right hand side. This is what it's going to look like. It shows you a little bit of a preview with the theme that it has chosen, and this is what will happen just before your video actually starts. And as I said previously, everyone that is subscribed to you and everyone else that you invite will be able to get a notification when this is actually going to premiere. So once you've done all that, you can then go ahead and tap on schedule, and it will be up and running and published, and it'll be premiered, and you can watch it with all of your audience, and you'll watch it all together. I think it's a very awesome idea. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.